here, and I am playing this new game called Strike Force 2, and it's actually really awesome, and y'all should actually play it. So yeah, just try playing it. It's a fun game. It's called Strike Force 2. So yeah. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay? Oh my god, there's so many enemies. Oh, there's so many. No, just kidding. It's like, oh my god, there's so many enemies. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Wow, you guys, it's so much fun. We got my MP5 ranked up to 22. We're on fire. Oh my god, he's right here. I shot him so many times when he spawned. And yeah, my online isn't working for this, just by the way. Kill him. Oh my god, this guy. Oh! Stop seeing these ads. Doesn't matter what it is. Jeez. This gun's awesome. I'm gonna use my MP5. I mean, MP5's my. I forgot what it's called. Dang it, forgot. That's a pretty good gun. Oh my god. How much kills do I have? Oh wow. Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't even know where that came from. So yeah. I'm really getting good at it. If I could get up here. So. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just fudge off. Okay. He stole my kill, man. I'll just get this gun out real quick and shoot him. Oh my god, I got wrecked. Gary E. I don't know what it's called. Oh my god, they're catching up. Dang. I would have put on my AUG, which is the thing I'm holding in my hand. Which is a beast. AUGs from Black Ops. Awesome. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Yeah. I'll follow this guy. These guys. Yeah, we never go up here, so yeah, they must be up here. No, I meant to change it. reload it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Nope, 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 no, no. Please refill, please refill, please refill. Oh, come on, we're so close. No, no, Fletch. Until we get to 100 of it in the video, because it's getting longer. Oh my god. Why did I shoot? Somehow I just shot. I was shooting. Where y'all at? Alright, you bud. Come on. Oh, oh, no, no. Get away. Run. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh, oh my god. Jeez, that scared me. There's so many. We're getting so close. I don't know how these guys are catching up. But that was actually pretty good. They're catching up. Dying. There we go. Nope, don't go. Rank 22. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, 4 more points. That isn't it. I'm scared of fudge out of me. Ow, ow, that hurt. Come on. Hacker alert! Hacker alert! I took the last kill. Yeah, I'm on rank 25. Yoy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.